Hi, Deadlock's here again, and whenever I do a video where I shim out of handcuffs, people always say they always double lock those handcuffs and then you can't shim out of them. That's true, but they always say it like the double lock is a really difficult thing. As you can see, these are double locked. Just slip in there, and that's a double locked off. Here's some more aggressive looking ones, but as you can see, double locked, and you can even see from the button there, which you can see now, not double locked. Some nice American ASPs, double locked, and no longer double locked. And you'd be amazed at how much this works. Korean Kyung Chang. Done. Some Taiwanese ones, double locked. Done. And just if you're thinking they're just cheap cuffs, some nice British Hyatt. Done. That's all from us. See you next time.